After 4.5 years being a software engineer, I quit. Not because I hated the job, but I just needed to know if I actually wanted this life. And that question mattered more to me than the salary or the title. At the time, I was 25. Good money, fully remote, living outside of London but getting London salary. Life was good. On paper, everything was fine. But I felt restless. I couldn't tell if I wanted something more or something else. I saved a lot of money. I lived with my mum for a bit, and I lived with my friends from school, so I had roommates, so my rent was cheap. I was 25 and I only really explored Europe up until that point. I wanted to see the world, and one thing that really, really interested me was van life, and specifically in New Zealand. But more importantly, I wanted to answer my own question. Do I really want to be a software engineer? I wasn't running away from my job. I was running towards clarity. I thought quitting would fix the restlessness. I thought travel would give me the answers. I thought stepping away from that everyday grind 9 to 5 would make things a lot more obvious. I kind of thought I was going to have like the big aha moment. But what it did give me was, it answered some problems. It gave me answers. It gave me the clarity that I wasn't trapped, that I could escape. But one of the most important things was I didn't hate the job. It just lacked contrast. I had the same environment, the same routine. Everything was the same every day. What it didn't fix was the need for structure. When I was traveling, enjoying myself in the van, meeting people, just traveling such a beautiful country, I kind of liked the routine of software engineering. I would open my laptop and just be like, "Ooh, let's build a hobby project." And every day, I logged on to my computer, opened up my VS Code, and just went for it. No pressure from employees, no deadlines, nothing, just my own time, building exactly what I wanted. And I had a lot of fun. I learned a lot of stuff. I really delved into using AI to build stuff quick. And I built some really cool hobby projects that I'm pretty proud of. In a sense, I built my own routine again. I had the routine of coding every day, and it made me realize I didn't actually hate coding. I actually wanted it again. And stepping away made me realize, yeah, I actually do want this software engineering life. I actually couldn't imagine doing anything else for a job. I've never had another job. It's just been writing code. But the biggest thing I learned from all of this, maybe wanting more doesn't mean wanting something else. Maybe just wanting to do the same thing, but in a different way. I didn't quit because I hated software engineering. I quit because I wanted to test that belief. And it turns out I do want it, and I'm actually really good at it. So I'm back in a different environment. I'll update you in my next video where I am. But I am coding again, I can say that. I'm having a salary. Am I in London? Am I somewhere else? We'll see. But I'm really happy to be back. It was nice to take this time away and just think and reflect and just know exactly what I want to do.